Redis, how to work with Redis software. So it is another kind of software for to work with NoSQL and to perform some CRUD operations. So in this database, so today we'll discuss about this tutorial. Okay. So first of all, you have to download the software. So the link will be provided in the description box. You can go through it and you can first download it. So it is Redis Windows 5.0.114 version. So you can also go with so other versions also, no problem. So then you can able to see .msi and .zip file. You have to download. You can download zip file. Then you can able to see this. Once it is, you have to extract this folder to some C drive with some folder. Once after extraction, you can able to see all these files in it. So once after completing this, just you can open the server, switch on the server redis.server. So once the server is on, so you can able to see this part. So then the server is ready. So then we'll go with server CLI prompt. Okay, Redis CLI. Okay, this is the platform to work with to write the commands and to work with to perform the CRUD operations. Okay, so now before going to performing some CRUD operations on the Redis database, so previous video we have done about the MongoDB software. So where we have done CRUD operations like how to create a database explicitly and how to create some collections and how to insert some records or documents to the collections. So that is explicitly happen, and by default some admin account also there. So similarly, when you compare with MongoDB, so now here we don't have the explicit database. Directly we have 0 to 15 some default databases are available. So to see that, so we have to use some command that also I'll show you in this tutorial, and how to create some records and how to perform some operations on it. We'll do it in this tutorial. So that is the target of the video. Thank you all. So first of all, so we have hash. So it is a kind of record, a document, we can say collection, or set we can use, and list also we can use, and string also we can use. So let us to perform the CRUD operations. So what all required, that will take. So first, so we'll insert HSET. Okay, so student colon, so 101. So this is like on collection, student is a collection. So when you're talking about the MongoDB, here in database, Redis database, student is behaves like a collection. In this record, we'll store the values like a key value pair. Okay, so in this record, we can store some values with the keys. Okay, so let us take name. Name is we can give Bharat. Okay, HGET name. So it is one by one. If you want to give the record or a key value pair to the record, so we can do like this. So another we can give name, age 28, 29. That you can give anything. Okay. So third record, if you want to give age marks, you can give 90, and if you want to give course CS, and if you want to give some address, you can give Hyderabad. So this is the way of giving the key value pairs to the record student 101 record. Okay, now if you want to see all these records, you have to use hash get all, HGET all student 101. So now we can able to see all the records, all the key value pairs we have given to the student colon 101 record. Okay, so if you want to get only one, HGET name student colon name. Okay, HGET all, HGET student 101, just give name. It is not HGET, just HGET. You can see here in the previous class we have given name in capital letter, but initially we have given the input like small letter. So that's why the values are case sensitive, key values, be careful on it. Okay, so this is how we can do with insert the key value pairs into the collection or record. Okay, so this is one by one like SQL. If you want to give all at once, that also we can do, that I'll show you. So to clear the screen, just use clear. Directly we can get HGET all, HMGET set, HMSET. So it is a multi-field values we are giving input. HMSET student 101, and if you want to give name Ravi, age 20, and marks 75, course ECE. So like that we can give multi values at a time. So this is the way how we can give. And if you want to retrieve them, HGET all #1 student underscore not one. So like that we can get. So these all values we can able to get it. Okay, so this is how we can do insert the data into the collection. Okay, so now we can create another collection or another record also. Okay, HMSET student, just you can take this one, just change 102 and name Ravi, age 22, 23, marks and department both are same. Okay, so now the second record is also created, and if you want to give another record 103, so this also we can able to create. Okay, so now these all records are going to be stored in the Redis database 0 to 15. So if you want to get that directly we can get it, select 0 keys star. So you can able to see here. So select 0 to 15 default databases are available. So this one, so whatever we have done, so that is by default it will be stored in select 0. So here we have created 3 records. Okay, I hope you understood. So now after inserting the data, so next we will go to the next operation, delete and update options. We'll go for updation. HSET student. So first of all we'll print the HGET all student 103. So this is the basic record of the student 103. Now we'll perform the updation operation here. HSET student 103 name Geeta. Okay, so I wanted to update this name, then it is updated. Now you can verify like this. Okay, so you can observe here the name is updated. So like this we can update, we can perform the update operation. So this is one by one updation we can do, or else we can update all values by using HMSET. Okay, hash multi field set, and this one is for single one by one. Now updation is done and insertion is done and reading is done. So now finally we'll perform the delete operation. Okay, so if you want to delete del student 103 and I am removing something. So if you want to delete the entire record, we can perform here, so it will be deleted automatically. And if you want to delete only drop something called age 23, so it is done. Now if you want to see that the data is deleted or not, we can able to see HGET all student 103. So we can compare here. The age is mentioned in 3-4. Here the age and age is deleted from this record. So likewise we can perform the CRUD operations using the Redis database. So we can perform more tutorial, and we can do more work on this in the coming videos. So that's all for now. Just go through it and practice more on this part. And the link is provided in the description box. You can download the software and start working on it, and share to all your friends also. Thank you all.